Today I skipped the gym specifically to get my hair cut. Looking really clean and tidy. Trimming also kind of done. Sides mein short, middle mein long. This is how I like it since almost 6 years now. Welcome back to the channel guys. What's up guys? Kaise ho? Ella Naru. Hope everyone's doing great. Let me quickly take a shower and come and let's talk about the second important task. Very important, okay? Just hang on. I did not miss the gym on purpose. Not even been 12 hours since I went to the gym last night. It is better you give at least 24 hours of a gap for your body to recover. I'm really glad that hair is back to normal. You guys know that I've been taking care of my hair, my skin. It's not just taking care of your skin or your hair from the outside. Main thing is from the inside. That is more important. When you give proper fuel, proper nutrients that your skin wants and your hair needs, complemented with a good workout, a healthy lifestyle, that is when magic happens. Right now, one of my supplements is Biotin by Wow. This one specially works towards your skin and your hair. You can mix this in your favorite drink, in your favorite smoothie. For the calorie conscious like me, it's preferable to have it in water. It's got orange peel extract, which helps prevent cardiovascular diseases, and it boosts lung health. It aids in blood sugar treatment as well. It's even got lemon powder, which helps in building your immune system, prevents the formation of oxalate. This helps in flushing out the kidney stones. Also, it reduces inflammation and overall improves the digestive health. It's also got carrot powder, which helps prevent radical cell damage. On the whole, all these ingredients works towards the health and the quality of the skin and your hair. Best part about this is it's vegan, it's gluten free, it's FSSAI approved, it's certified by ISO and GMP. Also, there is a QR code which you can scan, which will tell the authenticity of this product. There are no harmful fillers, flavors, binders or any additives in these supplements. As the name suggests, plant-based biotin, everything is extracted from plants and herbs. Just take 1 scoop, 8 grams of it, and you have to consume immediately. Do check out the links in the description. You can go and order at www.buywow.in. Don't forget to use my coupon code SrimanKotaru20 and get flat 20% off, both on the website and the app as well. And always be wow naturally. Now the second most very important task of the day, something that you guys have been waiting for from a long time, including me. I was also waiting for this. Finally today I decided to do it. I got some time. Let me show it to you. Come, let's go. That's what happens when it is left around like that. It's catching dust. This is the Clearwater Billy brake light. As you can see, this basically comes around the number plate. You get like bright red lights whenever you brake, which is very important on a highway. Apart from this horn, we need, we have Kiki horn, we need pom pom horn. And then the rest of the Clearwater lights, there's the Darla, the smaller ones. This will go to the fork. You see this chota, though they're chota, they're very powerful. And oh yes, this is the granddaddy. Let's go rock these on the bike. Today I'm gonna get these installed. Huge lights, look at this. Literally the size of my face, dude. Pretty excited to put them on the bike and let's see how bright they can get. By the way, this is by the Apple of lights, Clearwater lights. I consider Clearwater to be the best lights on this planet. Hands down, nothing can beat it. The only task is how do I take all this on the bike? Obviously, because I have to take the bike and go, I'm not sure if they'll give it today. I asked them to give it. I have to go by 12 o'clock. I should be there. Right now, time is 12. So by the time I reach from here to the showroom, it's gonna take at least 45 minutes. Beautiful clear skies. No more rain. And that's for sure. Sriman is telling forecast should be correct. Maybe I'll just carry the components and leave the boxes. Throw all this into the bag and we should be sorted. I hope my camera bag can take everything. By the way, these huge lights are called Clearwater Sevinas. No, Super Sevinas. Sevinas are iske pehle ka version. These are next version of that. These are the final accessories that will be going on the BMW. See, this is the thing about biking. The joy of getting his bike is one. The joy of riding it is one. While accessorizing your bike is one more love. Okay, I'll see you guys in the GoPro mode in 3, 2. And there are both my bikes are shining next level mein. Under this light, especially BMW, it glows so much, especially that HP color. Anyways, I've adjusted everything in this, including my big camera, the Sony A7S III, which is very important for us, and it has become crazy heavy. Like literally I can do dumbbells on this. Little bit dusty but chalega. I can see spider webs. Hello, not interested. Remove my number from your database. I'm not interested to sell anything. Okay. By the way, there is a specific reason I'm wearing full hands. Actually, I forgot to cuff it. The reason for that is a full-on sun here will get tanned. Especially, I don't know what, but my hands till here they have a lot of melanin. What is that? Simon, no, don't become a doctor. There is something called melanin. Yes, melanin. Yes, I got it. Which gives you the skin tone. Whenever UV falls on your melanin, you turn dark. That's how tan happens. Otherwise, I don't prefer wearing shirts unless it's like some event or something like that. Office, huh? College, huh? Oh. So finally today this kick horn is gonna go. We're gonna get the pom-pom horn, the air horn. It's not like too loud, but at least on the highways people can hear it. You see, that is the beauty of a bike. I can zip through. Nice parking, bro. Also talking about this bike, the BMW 1250 GS Adventure, people appreciate the bike a lot for its boxer engine, for the riding dynamics, for the way it balances itself, though it's like almost 250 kilos plus accessories plus the biker. But then what people don't really talk about is the exhaust note of this bike. It is really amazing, you know that? You never concentrated on that, right? It pops a lot. It's not like one of the best sounding exhaust notes. I think I'll do a small capture, an audio capture like I did for the Street Twin, a dedicated one. You will love it. It's got a very unique boxer sound. Apart from that, what I like is it pops a lot. Every time you rev down like this, it pops. Now you can't hear it, but sometimes it pops so loud, like you can feel that vibration in the handle. And oh yes, you know why are we putting all this now? The accessories. I want to keep the bike ready because soon we're gonna ride. Yes, a ride is on the cards. Most probably in the next 1 week at least. Actually 25th, 26th ke time mein we had to leave for the trip, but then my friend had some work at home, so we had to stay back. But abhi mostly it is gonna be finished by this weekend, and worst case maybe first week of November we will definitely go for the ride. Oh yes, it's getting hot. We don't have time to actually put these down. Actually let me at least put it down like this. Are green ho gaya. Seriously, from that time it is red. The moment I thought I want to wait for a second, chalo, Sriman is waiting, let's put a green. We don't need green now, we want red. Okay, please red, stay like that for a second. Inka kel dham chestar horn gotti gotti lekapothe. Arniya green. Tondara. Okay, one more signal, we have a chance. Uncle, koncham right ki velte మేము ఇటుకి వెళ్ళిపోతాం కదా. Indicator is గంట అయింది. Oh, for green. What the hell, dude? Good. Abhi red hua, which means we'll have a lot of time to stop. Let's cover our forehands, otherwise we'll become black. Already I might have become black. Oh, by the way, 4,623 kilometers only done in the last. I think this bike is almost 6 months old now, and air pressure, everything is perfect. I don't think so. Arre, front wala is 32. It shouldn't be that much. It should be 36. I did not expect this kind of traffic, yaar. You don't feel much of a stress riding this bike in traffic because it balances itself so well, and you're sitting straight upright, literally like you're sitting on a throne, sitting like tall. That in the minimum setting, already you get a proper SUV feeling on this, and when you put it in the tallest setting, you'll get Lorica feeling. Alright, reaching the showroom in the next 5 minutes. Actually, there was not much traffic as expected. Only one junction, it was there like that near Begumpet. After that, it was all fine. By the way, we are getting 21 kilometers per liter, which is very good inside the city. I did not expect this much. I was expecting somewhere around 13 or 14 because it's a beastie 140 bhp 1250cc engine. You don't know, inka baada baisun poran. And though a lot of people consider that there's no flaw in the BMW 1250 GS Adventure, as I keep riding it, I keep finding one or two flaws I don't like in this bike is that, you know, the mirrors are really bad. I really don't like the mirrors. I understand there's a design and all that. Helmet the Asian pillowed. Endukra? It's got a lot of blind spots. I constantly have to move my head like this and check for surroundings. Not like really comfortable. Even the Tiger's rear view mirrors were not perfect, but they're still better than this. It's not only narrow like this, but I also got a lot of blind spots in it. I think we'll have to change those. Only thing is we have to find something which goes with the design of the bike. Right now these look very good on the bike. Anyways, we have reached the showroom. Let's go get the fittings done. Once again, Bullock Cut, Gajini, level 10. I forgot to get the main mount. Main thing I came here is for the clear water lights. I forgot to get the main mount that comes over here. The main mount I got it, remember? So what I'm telling Nawaz is that he's gonna fix my lights. I told him to put the lights for now. Just leave it hanging. Later we can fix the mount. So tomorrow I'll come back again. Actually I had plans to put the smaller lights over here, but Nawaz is saying we can't put it here. Maybe somewhere over here we'll plan and put it. We can also put it here. My issue is maybe if the bike falls. Nawaz says that even if it falls, it's gonna stop here. I know that, but if it touches the lights, then we're gonna have a problem. It's gonna damage the light. Apart from this, the horn also. Actually, the stock horn is in a weird place, dude. I mean, check this out. It's somewhere over here. You see this? This is the horn. I don't know if we can place that blower Denali horn over here.
Hi.
Okay, this is one of the friendliest Ola driver I've ever gotten. The moment I came in, he's like, "Where are you coming from?" I said, "From BMW showroom." "Oh, you gave your bike for service?" I
Hello,
said, "Yes."
Shriman Kotaro. Welcome to Ola Place.
Oh, nice. Intro కూడా ఇస్తుందా నాకు? He was fascinated looking at the bikes. He was asking how much is the bike. He asked me, "Is it 3 lakhs?" I said, "Not 3 lakhs, it is 30 lakhs." He's like, "Amma."
ఎక్కడెక్కడ తిరిగాను?
మొత్తం ఇండియా గీకేసాం పైనుంచి కింద వరకు.
అవును, ఎక్కడ తగులుతారు అయితే ఫేస్బుక్ వీడియోలో కూడా.
అదే చూసుండవు. ఫస్ట్లీ ద మూమెంట్ ఐ కేమ్ అవుట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద షోరూమ్ హీ వాజ్ ఆస్కింగ్ మీ, "Do you work for a movie?" I said, "No, I have a YouTube channel." Then he's like, "You look like a hero." That was like a nice compliment. Feel so positive when people talk like this. Very rarely people talk like this nowadays. Anyway, subscribe చేయి నా ఛానల్కి. He's searching now and he's saying, "మీరా ఇది?" గుర్తుపట్టలేదు కదా డైరెక్ట్గా చూస్తే లావుగా దున్నపోతులాగా ఉన్నానా, దాంట్లో బక్కగా చిక్కిపోయి ఉన్నా కదా. మీరు డిగ్రీ చేసే అన్నారు కదా, మరి డ్రైవింగ్ ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నారు? అంటే ఏ జాబ్ కన్నా రెస్పెక్ట్ ఇస్తాను నేను.
ఇది ఓన్ కారు ప్లస్ నార్మల్ టైం పాస్.
అచ్చా, ఎక్స్ట్రా ఇన్కమ్.
అంతే. పోలీస్ ప్రిపేర్ అవుతాను అనమాట.
ఓ, ఫ్యూచర్ పోలీస్. He's preparing for police, it seems. Nice. See, this is what I respect. Hard work. You need to work hard like this. Make your own living.
మనకి ఇష్టమైన పని ఏది చేసినా
ఇష్టంతో చేయాలి, అది రెస్పెక్ట్తో చేయాలి. వెరీ ఇన్స్పైరింగ్. నైస్.
ఇప్పుడు బైక్ కెమెరా ఎలా పెడతారన్న? హెల్మెట్లో పెడతారు.
హెల్మెట్ పెట్టుకుంటారు. Update by the way, Charan is here.
Yeah, peace.
Peace interrupting. Start good daily.
I peace out.
Peace in the We have two updates. One bad news. Bad news is that I can't show you guys the lights, the Clearwater high intensity lights today because it seems I can't take the bike today. One more very happy update, dude. You know what?
You purchased the laptop?
No. Hey. iPhone 13 Pro Max, good news. No, kind of good news. Arrives 22nd, it's still there, but at least this message changed. As soon as the item is ready, we'll send you an update about the shipment.
Original date estimate in the 22nd to
28. Mostly tomorrow it should say
and
shipped.
this is the last window to cancel it probably.
Yes, if I need to cancel,
Because you can't cancel.
Oh yes, there's still option there.
Yes.
Cancel
Once
this
it
item.
ships, you can't cancel.
Yeah, the moment it says ships, Katham 1 point whatever lakhs gone. This get. Anyways, I was really excited to show the Clearwater lights today, but that's not gonna happen. Tomorrow we'll go get the bike while going. Hey, what's up, Aditya?
What's up, man?
Light level ikkada.
Sorry, వెనకాల.
You have to pay extra.
బొక్క పెట్టి నీ ఫోన్ పెట్టి ఫ్లాష్ ఆన్ చేయి.
పార్ట్ దొరకట్లే.
దేవుని పిలిచిన ప్రత్యక్షం అయితే తెలియదు కానీ ఇది ఇంగ్లీష్లో చెప్పాలి. ఎట్లా చెప్పాలి? ఇఫ్ ఐ కాల్ గాడ్ come or not, I don't know,
Family.
but Aditya will definitely come. I did not call him today. He is the one who called me. కొన్ని లైట్ దగ్గర ఆపితే నీకు చాలా మంచి కంటెంట్ వస్తుంది. నిజంగా ఆపుతున్నారా? But I'm so happy because I got transport to go home today.
చీ అరే నేను పేషెంట్ రా, అట్లా వాడుకోద్దురా నన్ను.
I was thinking, how do I go back home?
What?
What he doesn't know is that I gave my bike for a repair, not repair, putting some access. We're putting Clearwater lights.
అరే నేను
Finally.
టాబ్లెట్స్ మర్చిపోయినా.
Tablets కొనుక్కొని వెళ్ళమ్మా.
దొరకవురా అవి.
I'll get it.
वो पर्ची दिखाना पड़ेगा.
दिखाएंगे.
टैबलेट नहीं देगा वो.
Simple, we go to your house, get that purchase. Really worried. How do I go back home? I don't want to go in the cab. BMW people said they'll give my bike tomorrow. But thank you, Aditya, for calling me today. I did not expect your call. I wanted to call you actually, so that you can drop me. So that I can drop. The moment he said I want to come, I'm like, come dude, please come.
ఇట్లా వాడుకుంటున్నారా?
Did I call you? Tell me. I did not call you. You yourself called me like a god. దేవుడు రా నువ్వు.
సరే ఇప్పుడు వెళ్దాం.
By the way, both of the same hair cut today.
కొంచెం
ఎక్కువ పోయింది, కొంచెం అది గుండె చేసింది బేసిక్ గా.
అంటే చేయమన్నావు అండి. సైడ్స్ కి ఎక్కువ పెరిగిపోతుంది రా, పైన పెరగట్లేదు.
అందరి ప్రాబ్లం అదేరా.
చరణ్ గారు చూడు,
నిన్న గట్టిగా చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు ఉంటుంది వాడి జుట్టు. Finally we come to a place where we can understand food menu. Idli, dosa, masala dosa. Then uramaki. Idu vachinapalla maki ive untayi. Came to chutneys for a change. I'm also bored.
చేంజ్ కాదు, నేను పట్టుకొచ్చిన.
No, actually I'm actually bored with my grilled chicken and all that, so I thought let's eat some Indian, South Indian that too.
అదేంద్రా ఇక్కడ ఫ్లిప్ ఉండదా?
అంటే
లెవెల్లో లేదా?
రికార్డ్ అవుతుంది కదా.
అయితే ఉండదా అందులో?
కూడా ఉండదా?
ఓకే, సారీ రా, ఇన్స్టా కెమెరా అలవాటు అయిపోయింది.
స్టీమ్ దోశ. మావాడు ఈజ్ ఈటింగ్ వాట్ ఇస్ దట్? ప్లేన్ దోశ. వీడు మా ముఖం చూస్తున్నాడు.
పనీరా
దట్స్ హనీ. యా. సో స్టీమ్ దోశ అబ్సల్యూట్లీ ఇన్ నో ఆయిల్.
రవ్వ మసాలా దోశ.
రవ్వ మసాలా దోశ. ఎన్ని రోజులైనా ఇట్లాంటి పేర్లేని. గ్రిల్డ్ చికెన్, గ్రిల్డ్ ఫిష్, గ్రిల్డ్.
చూడరా ఎంత బాగుంది.
ఎంత ట్రెడిషనల్ గా బుక్ చేసినట్టు ఉందిలే.
పచ్చడి, సాంబార్.
డిప్పినమ్మా. యు ఆర్ ఇన్ సింక్ బ్రో. నేర్చుకుంటున్నాడు పిల్లోడు. Aditya is craving for this a lot. What is that?
Apricot delight అంట.
Apricot delight. It's not apricot delight. It's apricot delight.
ప్రాపర్ నౌన్.
Proper noun. You can say anything. నీకు తెచ్చింది మై
కాదు.
ఒకసారి చూపిరా కొంచెం కెమెరాకి. సో ఇట్ సీమ్స్ దిస్ ఇస్ నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్ అమేజింగ్. 9 out of 10, 10 out of 10 మేబీ.
నువ్వు తిన్నావా ముందు?
He's craving for it so much.
Paradise లో తిన్నా.
ప్యారడైజ్ అది వేరేరా. అది కుర్బానీ కా మీటర్ రే. ఇది వేరే, అది వేరే రే.
తినించాలి ఇక్కడి.
ఆడు వేస్తూనే ఉన్నాడు. లోపల ఉన్నది కూడా అయిపోతుంది. సగం అయిపోయింది.
అమేజింగ్.
ఇగో
కానీ ఆప్రికాట్ తక్కువ ఉంది.
నువ్వు ఇచ్చిన డబ్బులకి అదే ఎక్కువ.
ఆడి క్రీమ్ అంతా వేసేసి క్రీమ్ ఒకటే ఉందంట.
నైస్.
ఇది ఇచ్చాడు రా.
ఓ నైస్. మెల్లగా ఎక్కుతుంది. స్లోలీ సింకింగ్ ఇన్. ఎక్కుతుందంటే ఆయకుడు కాదు. సో ఇఫ్ యూ లైక్ apricot delight, spicy venue. Spicy venue, Jubilee Hills. I'm interested in collaboration.